pretty sure that none of you guys have an idea what's in this box. Struggles. Alright, one long freeway ride later of missing my exit. This thing right here about to bring me back to life because your boy was getting it on Call of Duty last night.
Holding Bravo. Into the stock. Kill confirmed. Allied UAV overhead.
If ever you guys want to play, I'm going to post my Activision tag on screen. Add me. If you guys have been a long time subscriber, you guys will know this place. Boom, right there. Alright, so we have made it to Man the Myth, the Manny shop. Super Tent. Here he is, if you guys have seen him. This is the guy who tinted my Subaru. Always on the phone, always doing business. In case you guys are wondering what the box was in the back of this thing, actually our window visors. So Manny told me that he wanted to tint the car before doing visors on the car. So picked those visors up the other day at Mitsubishi. They were like 90 bucks, surprisingly, which is crazy because when I had the STI, I think Subaru wanted like 200 something for OEM window visors, which is insane. So my biggest regret when I tinted the STI was that I didn't do the windshield. On this car, we are for sure doing the windshield, even though I have a chip in it, which is a little sketchy because the heat that gets attracted from the tint has the potential to crack the windshield even more. But I figured the windshield's already cracked, so I don't really have anything to lose. Like what's gonna happen? Like it's gonna get more cracked. So, Manny, is this gonna be your first Evo you've ever tinted? Evo 8 or 9? I know you've tinted your cousin's X. That doesn't count. Or have you done an 8 or 9 already?
I'm pretty sure I've probably done one already.
Your buddy, no? The Evo 8?
I didn't do that one. No, I didn't tint that one. Did I? No, I didn't tint that one.
Really?
Nah, but we've had other customers come in.
There it is.
Yeah, the looters got us.
Are you being serious?
No.
Oh, I was like, alright, got the car pulled in. Got the man, the myth, the Manny doing what he does best. In case you guys are wondering, we got 5% going all the side windows. 30. I don't know about 5% on the windshield, but. So they're pretty much done. It looks super good. You guys can't really tell, it's like because of the mirror finish, but it looks super, super aggressive. Unfortunately, we can't do the windshield though because there's a huge, well, two huge cracks. One right here. This one's a pretty deep one. Manny told me that if he uses the heat gun and tries to get in there, it could potentially crack the windshield even more. So we're gonna leave that alone. Gonna wait until they get an actual new windshield, and then we'll do it. In case you guys are wondering too, I went with a normal, just standard film, I guess you could say. I didn't go with ceramic or anything just because it was a little pricey. I mean, honestly, Manny's going to give me a good deal on it. They do ceramic and normal film here. Everything they do is lifetime warranty too, so if ever you guys need a quote on anything, I'll post Manny's Instagram on screen. Hit him up on Instagram if you guys have any questions. They've always taken care of me. Even for all the customers they do too, they always honor their work and everything, which is super rad if anyone ever has an issue with it. And they also do lights, stereos, all that good stuff. So if you want to get limo tint and get 215s put in your car, hit up this guy right here. Hey, people want to know if you're gonna put the 215s in your Civic. 4. So Manny first started, he was tripping out about the little rear wiper butt plug. Now I see why you're tripping out, sir. Because you literally have to tint. Yeah. It's like a vintage Dodgers towel. Can't really tell because of the reflection, but it looks good. Butt plug looks good. Alright guys, a better shot.
You're not supposed to do this, you know, but we're gonna do it.
Roll it down. Oh, certified Mitsubishi tech going at it right now. UTI certified. Alright, there she is. The man, the myth, the Manny's finished up. Got the limo tint with the visors. Looks super clean. Everyone come see this man. You guys need this man in your life.
To anybody's Mitsubishi Mirage.
Mirage. It's actually a Galant. You got to get it right.
It's a Galant.
Galant 4G64. So I was telling Manny that soon I'm gonna have to come back for a set of these guys right here because the stock speakers in the Evo suck. All right, leaving the shop, dude. Love this look. You guys can't really tell, but it looks awesome. Probably be the easier way to get a hold of them. Oh, traffic is coming back, guys. Dude, you can tell. Those of you guys who watch my videos a lot, you can tell how much darker it is in my interior right now because of the tint, but it sucks that all this freaking traffic's coming back now. That was the only good thing about Corona was that people were at home, but now the traffic is slowly coming back, especially where I live. It's gnarly. The fact I'm able to drive this car with the AC on, I got limo tint now. This thing feels so good to drive. So much fun, honestly. Especially like kind of dialing it in to make it a nice street car, quick and fun. This dude staring at me in his garage, watching me vlog. Just being an awkward YouTuber. Thanks for staring, buddy. Alright, made it back to the crib, had a little bit of food in me. Dude, that drive coming back in the Evo, guys, was so awesome. Having window tint on the car literally is night and day difference. If you guys have a car, whether it's a sports car or not, adding tint just completely changes the dynamic of the car, makes it so much more comfortable and enjoyable regardless, especially in California. I gotta also give a massive shout out to Manny for always helping me out, for not only installing the tint and doing a killer job and always going the extra mile to make sure that everything fits nice and everything is good, but also helping me out with the visor install as well. Something that was really cool that I actually captured on video because I was too busy running around and Manny was helping with other things in the shop and the phone was ringing and all this stuff, but in the visors from Mitsubishi, it's crazy because they packaged the two visors together differently. So the clear ones were the driver's side and then the pink ones were the passenger side. So the clear bag was the driver's side front and rear, and then the pink side was the passenger side front and rear, which is pretty neat. I've never seen that before and he hadn't either. I feel really good being able to help someone out that I personally know who owns a business, and I know that this whole coronavirus thing hasn't been easy for him and his family, especially being that any small business owner, a lot of them didn't receive the financial aid from the government or anything, or made it really hard to access it, and it slowed sales down tremendously for like a lot of people. And you know, just really quickly, guys, if you guys know someone who owns a business or starting a business or anything like that, if you really care about that person, you'll support their business and not be that guy of, oh fool, like let me get the homie hookup, like how much for me, dog? Like you actually will pay whatever price they will. You show up. You know, if you want to post on social media and help the guy out, then you do. But if you really care about someone's business and want to see them succeed, you'll be a customer. And honestly, as long as I've done YouTube and everything, you know, even when I had 1 subscriber, all the people that I've ever filmed or anything like that with, even back with 9K Racing, I never asked them to pay me. I never asked them for, hey, let me get the homie hookup price or whatever, or anything like that. And it's mainly because, like, everyone I show on this channel or that I film or put on social media or anything, like, it's just people I believe in, you know? Like, I would never ever tell you guys to go do something if I literally wouldn't be willing to either A, do it to my own car, or B, you know, obviously use my money to get a service or product or anything like that. You know, I obviously got into cars since like 2014, and seeing the car scene change so much, you know, people are so willing to just sell their soul to get a free shirt or sticker or, you know, a discount on coilovers or whatever. And for me, you know, like, that's cool if that's what makes you happy at the end of the day and supports your build. You know, I'm not going to judge it, but in my opinion, like, I feel like you should only do things that you really believe in. Otherwise, at that point, you're basically just lying to other people, saying, hey, I really love this product, but you don't. You're just selling it because they gave you a discount or you have a coupon code which you're getting paid commission on, and so on and so forth. So unfortunately guys, this is where I'm going to end today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. There's going to be more car content and all that good stuff. Soon I will be taking the car over to 5150 Racing where we can finally tear it down with Uncle Jesus. Hopefully sell my turbo to one of you guys who actually, one of my subscribers already messaged me about the turbo who really wants it. But I will have injectors for sale, a downpipe, and all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. Other than that, I will see you guys all in the next video. Peace out. Hope you guys are being safe. And let's get through this Corona thing, man. Peace out. Hey, you want to say peace out? Hey, you want to say peace out? Peace out to the viewers? No? Too busy trying to find that freaking ball you hid under the stove? Okay. Come on, you gotta say bye. Can't get a little meow.